one of my favorite things is to use navigation. So I'm going to show you how that works today. All I have to do is press voice command on my steering wheel, and I can just tell my Apple CarPlay where I want to go, and it will direct me to where I need to go. Siri, take me to the nearest Walmart. And see, Siri, all I had to do was tell her where I wanted to go, click the button, and it has brought me to where I wanted to go. Very easy to use. All I have to do is say it once, and it comes up over the system. One of the great things about the navigation that I didn't tell you about is that the navigation is great to use because you already have it on your cell phone. So a lot of people rather use their cell phone anyways. So you have all these great different features that you can use the Apple CarPlay for. And again, this comes standard on all of our Cadillacs. So any new Cadillac that you come to look at, it's going to be on there. So look forward to using your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto when you come get your next new Cadillac.